Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to improve voice quality in Audacity using the latest Audacity interface in 2026. After opening Audacity, you'll see your voice recording displayed as an audio waveform on the timeline. This is where you can make adjustments to improve the clarity and quality of your voice. At the top of the screen, open the Effect menu. Audacity provides several useful tools for voice enhancement. One of the most important tools is noise reduction, which helps reduce background noise from your recording. You can also use the compressor effect to make your voice sound more balanced and consistent throughout the recording. Another useful tool is Normalize, which adjusts the overall volume level and makes your voice easier to hear. The Filter Curve EQ effect can improve the tone and clarity of your voice by adjusting different audio frequencies. The limiter effect helps control loud peaks and prevents distortion in the recording. You can select any part of the waveform using the selection tool and preview the audio using the play button. This allows you to check the quality of your recording before making further adjustments. When you're satisfied with the sound, go to the File menu and choose Export Audio. You can save the final recording in MP3 or WAV format. Audacity is a simple but powerful audio editor that can significantly improve voice recordings for YouTube videos, podcasts, tutorials, interviews, and other audio projects. That's how you can improve voice quality in Audacity in 2026. Thanks for watching,
Hello everyone, and
I'll see you in the next video.